Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Yamaha P45. It has 88 keys, which have the graded hammer action that comes with most Yamaha digital pianos and gives a good level of realism. You can even adjust how sensitive the keys are to suit your own playing style. The fact this is so light and affordable means it is popular among stage players and to take to practice sessions. Our second best digital piano under $500 is Alesis Recital Pro. There have been some improvements from the Recital. It also has the 3-month SCUV trial included with other Alesis products. Instead of having 5 sounds like the Recital, the Pro has more than double this, with 12 in total. The keys and the sounds can be further altered with split, layer, and lesson modes which divide the keyboard in different ways, suitable for lessons or layer up sounds for a rich thick tone. Number 3 in our list is Alesis Recital 88 key. The Recital is not the best sounding digital piano under $500, but it does have some decent sounds. The 5 which are included are acoustic and electric pianos, organ, synthesizer, and bass. The 88 keys are semi-weighted. This is not quite the same as hammer action and feels something like a keyboard, with more of a piano weight to it. There are 2 different inbuilt effects, chorus and reverb. The speakers included are 20 watts and actually pretty impressive considering the price point. Let's watch more.
Hey everyone, this is Matt at Alesis, and I'm here to show you the Alesis Recital Pro digital piano. The Recital Pro is a full-featured digital piano with 88 full hammer action keys, and it's loaded with great features for students who are just getting started as well as professionals. Let's take a listen to some of the Recital Pro's 12 built-in voices, and I'll show you some of the things you can do with them. First, to select a voice on the Recital Pro, all you have to do is just press one of the voice buttons. Each voice button has 2 selectable voices, and if you want to select the second voice, you just hit the button again. You can add modulation, reverb, and chorus effects to your sound, and they can be turned on and off by pressing each of those buttons on the top panel. One cool feature is layer mode, which is used for layering 2 voices together for a full, rich sound. To do this, select the first of the 2 voices you want, and then hold down the layer button and select the second voice. For example, if I want piano and strings, I would select piano, and then while holding down the layer button, I would select strings. Another great feature is split mode, which divides the keyboard into 2 separate voices. For example, vibraphone in the right hand and bass in the left hand. A useful feature for teachers and students is lesson mode. Lesson mode divides the keyboard into two areas with identical pitch and voice, so a teacher and student can easily watch each other and play together without having to take turns. To access this mode, just press Lesson. The Recital Pro has 20-watt speakers, so it can get nice and loud. But if you want even more volume, you could hook it into an amplifier, PA speaker, or home stereo system by using the 1/4-inch line outputs on the back. You can also connect your headphones to the Recital Pro's headphone output, and this will mute the onboard speakers so you can practice in private. Once again, I'm Matt from Alesis, and thanks for checking out the Alesis Recital Pro Digital Piano. We'll catch you again next time.
Our fourth pick is Roland Go 88P Portable Digital Piano. Roland manufactures a lot of top MIDI controllers and other music tech equipment, and their forays into digital pianos are very successful, incorporating some of the things you would expect from MIDI options. They describe this as a great piano for aspiring musicians. You can wirelessly hook up to your smartphone or tablet and use the inbuilt speakers to listen to your favorite tracks and even play along to them. The Bluetooth also allows you to control devices with MIDI 100% wirelessly, a real innovation. Last in our list is Yamaha Mp32. A 76-key digital piano is something which is pretty rare. This is a relatively modern addition to the huge Yamaha range of digital pianos, and it certainly has some cool features for those who love tech. The built-in speakers aren't that powerful as it is a very small and portable model, but it is likely you will be using this to control other synth models or virtual instruments, and then feeding this into a PA system. Let's watch more.
The Yamaha P45 Mp32 captures the essence of a Yamaha piano in a compact and lightweight design. As a starter instrument to introduce you to the fun of playing, or as a highly portable solution to take with you wherever you go, the Mp32 is a great way to enjoy your music, any place, any time. The Mp32 has been designed so that you can concentrate on playing. There are no unimportant features and complicated controls, which, together with the piano-style box keys, gives the instrument a clean and stylish appearance. The realistic piano sound, sampled from one of Yamaha's finest concert grand pianos, is responsive and dynamic, thanks to the 76-note touch-sensitive keyboard with graded soft-touch keys. There is a range of 10 instrument voices to choose from, including electric pianos, and organs. Giving you a wide range of musical options to explore. You can also layer two voices together, for example piano and strings, which creates a rich orchestral effect. The built-in amplifier and speaker system delivers a rich stereo sound, and you can even recreate the ambience of a concert hall with the digital reverb function. The Mp32 also has an easy-to-use recording function to capture your performance for instant playback. There is a metronome for practice sessions and transpose and tuning functions for playing with other instruments or changing the key of a song. You can also connect the Mp32 to a computer or iOS device, where a range of apps is available to enhance and develop your enjoyment of music even further. The Mp32 can be connected to headphones for silent playing or to an external audio system. There is also a connection for an optional sustain pedal, and the Mp32 can even be powered by batteries so you can play in virtually any location. Available in both black and white, the Yamaha P45 Mp32 is a great way to play at home or away.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!